The Pullquote block is useful when you need to emphasize some piece of content in your post or page, um, like this. So you can use a Pullquote block so that this content or this piece of text gets highlighted um, in your overall post content or page content. So let's see how we can add and use the Pullquote block in Gutenberg Editor. To add the block, you have few different ways like any other block, either clicking on the plus icon on the top and search for Pullquote and clicking on this, or you can also add it by typing a / in an empty paragraph block and type pull, and it gives you the suggestion. Just click on this and the block will get added. Now let's see what options we have for the Pullquote block in the block toolbar. So the first option allows us to transform the Pullquote content to another block type, and the options we have are paragraph, headline, list, quote, and group. So what this does is it converts the block type from this to another. So if I click on the paragraph, you'll see that it created two paragraphs, basically one with the content and one with the citation, so both converted as separate paragraph block. So this is what this transform feature does in Gutenberg. The other option we have in the same icon or option panel is the styles, which you also see in the sidebar. So what it does is Gutenberg provides two default sizes and styles, basically, and these styles variations depends on the theme or the plugins you are using. There may be more styles available or added by a certain plugin or theme. So these are some two standard styles added by the Gutenberg or core WordPress itself. Next, we have the alignment option. We can have align this to left, right, center, etc. And the two last options are dependent on the theme you are using. If the theme is providing support for the wide align and full align, these options will be visible. If not, you need to contact your theme author. Next, we have some formatting options which are standard for different content or text blocks in Gutenberg. You can highlight some text, part of the text, and bold it, italic it, or even link it to an internal or external page. And then we have some other formatting options which are self-explanatory. The interesting one is the text color. So you can highlight a part of the text in your complete Pullquote or code to something different like this, and when you need to change it, you highlight it again and it gives you this indication here. So you can click on this again and change the color, or you can just hit the clear button so it reverts back to the what it was before. So these are the options we have in the top toolbar for the Pullquote block. Now let's see what we have in the sidebar. The first panel, actually let's close this. There are three panels for the Pullquote block: styles, color settings, and advanced. Advanced is the standard one for different blocks. You can assign a CSS class and HTML anchor. And for the styles, I've already explained it. These are the styles provided for this block, which transform the look of the block in a click like this, and this depends on the theme you are using or the plugins. So the color settings, we have two color options. One is the main color, which changes the border like this, if you see, and for the other style, it changes the background color, basically. So depending on the style you are using, you can also have it like this, as you can see. And the second option is the text color, which changes obviously the text color. So if I make it like this, so these are the options for the Pullquote block and in the sidebar, and I hope I have covered everything. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.